Of course, I'm learning something today. That was the difference. Your 300 foot-pound torque is the brushless half-inch, and the 712 is the non-brushless. So you can decide which one you're interested in. All right, so this is what the wife let me pick out. We're going to go with this one here. It's only got 300 foot, but you're getting the battery charger, the battery, and the impact for under 100, right? For the $100 bucks.
It's gonna be like 120
little
with
100,
tax and
120, and of course it's the same equivalent as the DeWalt brushless, which is of course $299 without battery and charger. So if you're going to go with the DeWalt, you still got to pay another. There's your 118, another 119 for the charger and the battery. So couldn't pass this one up. And the fact that if you get the kit, you're not paying extra for the battery and the charger. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Here it is right here. And this is all by itself. And it's 129 by itself without the kit. So you definitely look, and you can find some decent deals. We're definitely going to take that along when I go to the pick and pull. There it is again. It's 129 normally without the battery and the charger. Where's the... Okay. There's the charger with... It's the charger without the battery, and that's 44. And then to buy the battery, you got to pay another 44. So we just saved almost $100 just by able to buy that special kit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll do a review on the RYOBI half-inch impact